Hey guys, today I'm going to review the football-friendly football table. But I think the best thing is to give my Bubba a game.
3, 2, 1.
What are you flipping it for?
You have to spin it.
You spin it. But remember, you said spinning is cheating.
Taha, what's it going to be like when you lose to me?
I don't know.
Huh? Are you going to cry?
No.
You should cry.
I can't cry on a YouTube channel.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
I'm going to bring a can of whoop ass. Whoop ass. Oh, look. No.
No. How can I go and you will not kick it?
Hey, your defender's in the way.
Oh yeah.
Why is your
Oh no.
why did your players all upside down for? Yes.
Oh come on.
7.
3.
I need 3 more. Tell everybody what the score is at the moment.
The score is 9-4.
And how many more do I need to win?
One.
And who's gonna win? Say that again. I didn't think the
You.
YouTube people heard.
You.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna win.
Yeah, I know it.
Hey, you know it. You know it.
Yeah, I know it.
3, 2, 1.
There's the ball when No. I hit it backwards. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Mostly I didn't win, but overall I'll try to beat my Bubba next time. I will give this game 9 out of 10. I will change this into an electronic screen that tells you how many goals you've got and you scored. Make sure to join my YouTube videos and don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe.